taking up a strong fight against COVID and ensuring services to those most in need. Today, we are pleased to welcome our social work partner, Mr. Akhilesh Mohod. He is project manager at Swaroop Yatra and he is the founder of AMO. He is going to intrigue us with the current revolutionary topic, big picture thinking, life after engineering. Over to you, sir.
Yeah, thank you very much. First of all, I see you all guys have put a lot of efforts, and it's good to see that your fest is doing a great job. And I wish all the members a very my best wishes are with you. You guys are doing a great job. So, starting with my introduction, myself Akhilesh Mohod. Uh, am I clearly audible to you all guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So, myself Akhilesh Mohod, I am project manager of Swaroop Yatra. And before talking about Swaroop Yatra and how Swaroop Yatra is bringing a change in lives of people, how Swaroop Yatra is bringing an impact, how Swaroop Yatra is working, what Swaroop Yatra is doing, why we started something like Swaroop Yatra, I would really like to interact with these more than 100 plus people. Many of these are, I guess, students of your own college. So, guys, I know this question comes a lot of time. What we have to do after engineering? That is, what after engineering? Most of us might have this answer that yes, I would be doing MS or MTech or MBA, or I would be taking placements, or I would be joining my family business. But do you know the purpose behind doing all this stuff? Very few know that yes, this is my passion, I want to follow this and I would be doing this. But guys, I really feel that this purpose is somewhat related to your big picture thinking. Like, you all should have a purpose in your life. Just by saying that having a well settled life, a very big flat or a bungalow, or having a good family is not the purpose which you are serving. You have to make a difference in our society. So how will you bring a change in this society? If you joined any company, if you're working for there more than 30 or 40 years, it might be the case that the day when you retire, someone else is going to sit in your chair and the company would be running unaffectedly. If I take a name of any big entrepreneur or a social worker, the main thing which they are doing is they are serving people. So guys, you all have to serve people. Now, there can be various things in which you can serve. A chai wala is also serving people. Zomato is serving people. Oyo is serving people. Amazon is serving people. So what's the difference in between all these companies? The difference is how much value you add to lives of people. It really depends on how much impact you bring to lives of people. So it can be small, it can be big, but you should bring a change in life of people. So how to do that? We don't know anything. Coming into this college, coming into such a big college is also something which our seniors or our siblings told us that भाई ये कॉलेज बहुत अच्छा है, यहाँ के प्लेसमेंट्स अच्छे हैं, यहाँ के बच्चे बहुत अलग अलग कंपनीज में काम करते हैं. That was also not our decision. Now guys, you are in the age when you have to decide for your own career. Be something different. काफी लोग वही कर रहे हैं जो उनके सीनियर्स करते हैं, but you got a ample amount of time to search for what you have to do and how you have to do. So again, coming back to the question, how you have to do. So इसको करना कैसे है? You have to first understand people. You have to first understand what are the problems these people are facing. After that, you have to look for what is the situation of all these people. Now, after looking at all these things, you have to come up with an idea, and this idea must be different than what it is pre-existing, the conventional method. और सिर्फ आइडिया आना इज नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट, यू हैव टू बिल्ड अप ऑन दैट आइडिया. आपको उस आइडिया को एक बिजनेस में कन्वर्ट करना है, बिकॉज द स्केल ऑन विच यू आर ब्रिंगिंग एन इम्पैक्ट इज ऑल्सो रियली इंपॉर्टेंट. So to summarize, my first thing is first to make a difference, to bring a change in life of people. Second is to add values to life of people. And third is to bring it on a very large scale. Now coming back to Swaroop Yatra. So Swaroop Yatra is India's first travel volunteering cum internship program. What does it mean? We will come to this point later. But why we started Swaroop Yatra? Swaroop Yatra is sensitizing the youth and spreading awareness about social issues. And not only that, like many organizations are spreading awareness about different social issues which are prevalent in India. But what we are doing is we are teaching these youth social entrepreneurship. मतलब प्रॉब्लम सिर्फ आइडेंटिफाई नहीं करना है, उसको सॉल्व भी करना है. प्रॉब्लम सब हमारे पास आइडिया आती है, दिन में काफी आइडियाज आते हैं, दिन में काफी लोगों से हम इंटरेक्ट करते हैं, लेकिन उसको एक बिजनेस में कैसे कन्वर्ट करना. नाउ हियर बिजनेस डज नॉट मीन टू बी प्रॉफिटेबल. बिजनेस मीन्स कि आप कितने ज्यादा लोगों को सर्व कर सकते हो. दैट शुड बी योर एम इन लाइफ. It's not I am saying that you should do this, but this can be one thing which you can do. Correct? So स्वरूप यात्रा. So आपको लोगों को सर्व करना है. और स्वरूप यात्रा ये कैसे करती है? First, it will take 30 volunteers for a 30-day trip to 6 cities, different parts of India, and they would be working with 15 plus organizations. Now these organizations are NGOs, they are social enterprises, they are big organizations. So you would not just be volunteering, but you would also be doing internship with these organizations. So that's why it is first travel volunteering come internship program. Now why travel? Because in this 30 days, you would be traveling to different cities all over India. You would be exploring yourself. You would be looking at different places, different people. You would be getting to know their problems, and then you have to get idea out of it. It's not necessary कि आपको ये 30 दिनों में ही idea आनी चाहिए, but after getting this idea, you have your whole life to work on this. It's never too late. So that's why we thought of starting something like Swaroop Yatra, and I do believe all those who are present in this meet, guys, you all can bring a great difference in lives of people, and you all can serve all these members. Not taking much of your time, I would really like to ask you all, I would really like to invite you all to visit our website or our social media page to interact with us, to connect with us, get to know when are the programs, when we are going to go for this trip, what are the courses which we are teaching throughout this trip. Also, if you have any idea you want to share, you want to get a feedback, connect with me. I guess you can get my LinkedIn profile, or even you can go from Swaroop Yatra social media handle to my profile. We can work on this. Also, we are giving opportunities of internship to few students who are really very interested and curious to bring a change in lives of people, as I say, and add values to lives of people. So we would be taking few volunteers or interns from your college, and they would be working with us at Swaroop Yatra. Okay, so the spelling is wrong in the poster I just saw. It's fine. So again, the internship part, which I would be giving, which we are giving to the students who would like to work with us. Also, yeah, all the best to your fest. It's going to be huge. I see a lot of response. I was attending the meeting, and you again, you guys have put all the efforts, and it would definitely pay off. So thank you. Visit Swaroop Yatra, and see you soon. Thank you for the opportunity again.
It's a perfect blend of passion, compassion, technology, and travel. Thank you so much, sir. Many of us are already excited to be a part of Swaroop Yatra. Proceeding to our next social work partner, I would like to call upon Ms. Madhuri Dusad, who is the Chief Executive Director